Our University Writing Center makes it super easy to start an APA formatted paper. From their homepage at writingcenter.appstate.edu, look for the Handouts and Resources tab, and then on the left-hand side of the screen, choose Documentation Handouts, and then scroll down to the APA 7th edition template. Click on that. And then now we have the template, but we need to file and make a copy of it in order to personalize it. So we might use our name and then maybe the course number, and then you're working right now on your rough draft. Okay, and so then at this point we just start to personalize. So again, your name, and then we are in the Department of English. We are RC 1000. Our course name is Expository Writing. Of course, my name, Heather Childress Custer. And our paper is due on October the 12th of 2020. So before we go any further, you are going to need to share this document with me and with your coffeehouse colleagues so that we can comment on it. So maybe just go ahead and change your share settings just to take care of this early on. So right now this is restricted so that only people who actually have the link can open the document. You want to change that so that anyone at Appalachian State with the link can view the document, and they need to not just be able to view but also to comment. So anyone at App State with the link can comment. That's awesome, we're done with that. So we'll go to page 2. Which sets you up to write an abstract, but you don't need an abstract. So we're just going to delete that. And then we get to where you would actually start your paper. So APA allows for you to use headings to separate and organize your text. And this text right here is telling you how those headings should look. This is information that you might want to come back to later, so I would suggest just copying it, cutting it from here, and maybe pasting it at the bottom of your reference page for right now, just to hang on to it. And so now you're pretty much ready to start. So this is just telling you that you tab over as you start your text. And if you're really struggling to get started, you could always go to Tools and Voice Typing. And all right, I am talking. So I am starting this paper for my writing class, and I'm not really sure where I'm going with it, but I'm just going to talk and let the ideas flow, and then see what comes out. Do remember that I have asked you to start your reference page, and so you would just underneath the APA citation go ahead and start your own references, of course, in alphabetical order. Thank you for the time that you took to watch this video and set your paper up correctly.